Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to give you an in-depth review and demo of this incredible brand new software called Prezentar. I'll tell you all about the software, its features, how you can use it, as well as give you a demo within the software before you go ahead and make the purchase. Now, Prezentar allows you to create amazing looking presentations on demand. It's one of the main reasons why I use Prezentar is because of the stunning templates that it has and the speed of use. Now, if you've used any other type of presentation creation software in the past, you'll know it's all about the templates, but those templates are really ugly looking and as if they've been created about 50 years ago. Prezentar has a brand new, modern looking template within the product itself. Okay, it seems like it's been built for people like you and me, marketers, regardless of the niche that you're in. Here's another one, just a quick example of screenshots that I quickly took to show you how incredible these templates really are. Now you can drag and drop every single element that you see on the screen, from the headline, the text, the icons, the images, the people, the backgrounds, everything is customizable. You can drag and move things around, you can add to it, you can delete things, you can add videos in there, all kinds of things you can do with those slides. Now there's a design inside of Prezentar for you, okay, for you and everybody. There's so many different niche designs in there. I was actually shocked when I actually logged in and looked at the template library. I've just taken a few quick screenshots here for you, from travel to YouTube to cosmetics to children to training to teaching to eating healthy to fitness to music to online poker there, smoking. There's a niche in there and a design, templates, all kinds of things in there for everybody. So it doesn't matter what niche you're in, because that's what you're probably wondering. Is there a template and design there for me? Yes, there is. Now you can use Prezentar in so many ways. You can create presentations, you create courses, you create tutorials for webinars. Okay, webinars are huge right now, as well as online meetings, right? Like Zoom, reviews, pitches for YouTube. Yeah, for YouTube too. Demos, lessons, online meetings, like I just said. Essentially, using Prezentar at its base to sell as well as to teach. Okay, it's all about content. It's all about content. Now, let me jump into the software now and give you a live Prezentar demo. I'm logged into my Prezentar account and I've actually got all of the upgrades. So I've got so many different types of templates within my account. Now, on the left, we've got all these different types of categories, from arts and entertainment, betting and trading systems, business, investing, finance, digital e-marketing, computers, education, jobs, fiction, games, home, food and health, languages, parents and families, sports, travel, and so much more. If I scroll down, you can see all the beautiful looking templates. Okay, this just does not end. There's just so many. You definitely do want to grab all of the upgrades. You just get endless supply of beautifully crafted templates. Now, I am conscious of time, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on, I'll just use this one. Will load. It's super fast. Everything is drag and drop, and these are beautifully designed. So look, you can drag and drop all of the different types of images. You can edit and customize all this text. So you can put in your name there, obviously. Drag and drop again. Or full customization. You've never seen anything like this before. I was amazed when I saw this. You can change all the different types of texts, images, crop images, backgrounds, borders, shapes, widths. You can add links. You've got a color slicer. They give you different type of structure on the left hand side of all the different types of templates you can use. So you can customize the color if you wanted to use that one as a color. You've got background image slides. You can embed a video. That's right, you can embed a video from either YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, and lots of other different places into the slides. And look at this. This is what I'm really excited about. Are there customizable, themed designs? So you can change any of this. Okay, customize them how you want. Obviously, you can drag and drop them and change the fonts and the size. Now, I'm short on time here, but you got bold, italics, colors, editing, all the different types of normal editing options that you would expect to find are there. Again, everything is drag and drop. It's just so easy. It's so intuitive. Beautiful designs. You can add images to this. You can upload your own background. There's so many backgrounds in here anyway. Okay, show you some of these other ones here. You can customize the transitions as well. Okay, change the fonts, the styling, the colors, the themes. Just really well done. Okay, you could add your links at the end as well. Now, once you're happy with your slides and you've changed everything, let me just put in. Okay, let me just wanted to show you that. Look, you can change the text, images as well. If I go to backgrounds, if I click on this little plus here, what that allows you to do is to add text. You can add images. I'll show you stock images. Okay, background images. There's just so many, right? You can just one click and import any new type of background inside the software that you wish. Look, all these categories. Okay, this one's a really nice background, so then you can add your text again. Okay, headline. You can change the color and the font colors of this. You can make it black, make it blue. You can change your headings. You can add more text as you want. Again, customize it as you would expect. And then you can also add media, which is great. You can add background music. You can record audio over the slides. Now, this is what really excites me. You can upload audio. You can add video. You can record your audio directly through the browser. So let's say I was done with my presentation and now I wanted to start from the very beginning and record my voice over the slides. In fact, you can do it this way. I'm going to record my audio over all the slides as if I'm ready for my presentation. And I can just go ahead and click on record and then start. Hello and welcome to this presentation. In this program, I'm going to teach you how to make money online, start a business and get customers. In fact, get an endless supply of customers until you can't take no more. Right, let me click on stop there. Right, there you go. See that? It's got an incredible inbuilt audio editor. And we're not done. There's just so many more features. I actually don't have time to go through every single one. And then you just go ahead and once you're happy with that, let's click on add. And then once you're happy, you can output this. You can save it. You can click on download and you have multiple different options here. You can convert it to video and it'll turn your whole entire presentation into a video. You can also output as a PDF as well as HTML. Okay, you can share it online with as many people as you wish through the social widget. Plus, if you want to offer services to make a little bit of side money by creating presentations for clients, you can also do that through the system. And your clients can leave feedback through Prezentar too, and they won't even know you're using Prezentar. Now, Prezentar also has some additional upgrades which are totally optional. It's up to you. But I'm going to run you through those as well so that you can make a better informed decision. But I do highly recommend them because there's no recurring fees with Prezentar. And once you've souped up the software, made it really powerful, it's just a one-time cost and you've got it for life. Unlike all those other softwares that charge you recurring monthly fees. So one of the first upgrades is Prezentar Professional, which gives you more templates, more features, more power. Definitely recommended. We have Prezentar X Factor, which will give you exclusive niche designs every single month. So these are new templates added to your library every single month, and there's no recurring cost for this one. So I love that one because it's going to allow you to have a massive library over the next year without any recurring charges. They automatically added to your account as they design them every single month. Then we have Prezentar Halo, which is actually 4 pieces of software in one, and it bolts on to the Prezentar software. It includes amazing slide transitions to really snazz and jazz up your whole presentation. I love really good transitions. Rotating carousels is a great way for you to display your presentations and your slides in a unique way. Okay, I haven't seen that one ever before. When I did start looking at it, I was like, wow, I've never seen this before. Definitely recommend that one. It's really, really quirky. Flipbooks, interactive flipbooks. You can turn your presentation into interactive flipbooks and share those online. It allows your audience to engage with them in a unique way. And then we also have our mock-up skins. So what that is, basically you can present your presentation inside various types of mock-up skins, such as inside a computer monitor or an iPad graphic or a mobile phone or a tablet or a Mac, right? So there's really good skins in there, definitely recommended. Auto Job Finder. Now, this is a great one, okay? That's going to help you make a lot of money on the side because it's going to automatically find you gigs online that pay you to create slides for clients, presentations for clients, okay? So what this does is actually integrated with lots of different sites and platforms online, and it consolidates and finds all these gigs and displays them all to you in one central mainframe dashboard, right? So rather than you scrambling online and wasting your time looking for gigs, it just brings everything to you in just a few clicks. Really, really powerful. I highly recommend that you grab as many, if not all, of these upgrades for just a one-time low price. Right, what you need to do right now is to go ahead and grab Prezentar at the special discounted price. There's a launch going on right now. It's at the lowest it's ever going to be. So don't hang around. Go ahead, click on the link. The link should be either underneath the video or on a page. Click on the link right now through me and grab Prezentar at the special discounted price. You're going to love it. I love it. Just wait until you go in the members area so you can start creating and presenting and making profit using Prezentar.